Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coraima and I'm a pilot who loves makeup. Today we are going to do a quick date night look. It was my husband's birthday the other day. Unfortunately, he had to work, so we had to reschedule our birthday date dinner. But today I just felt like I should show you guys what look I'm going to be doing. I think that would be a cute video, a date night look. Today's inspiration will be my dress. It's actually going to be a copper dress, and I'm feeling a monochromatic look with the eyes. Today's featured palette, I will be using the ColourPop Yes Please palette. This is dirty, but don't judge me. It has all these pretty orange shades. First step, I'm going to carve out my brows just on the bottom. I carve out my brows with the Morphe JH43 brush. And I'm going to blend that down with a BH Cosmetics 129 brush. I'm going to bring that down to my lid space just to create a foundation for my eyeshadow. So I decided to do this video because I keep getting requests to do a more wearable look, which if you were to ask me to give you a wearable look, honey, all my looks are wearable. You just gotta be that bitch, you know what I'm saying? Like, makeup is free range, you know, you can wear whatever the heck you want. Back to the basics. We're going in with full zip, and that's like a brow bone color, and I'm gonna pretty much set my carving of the brow with that color. I'm going in on big cocktails, and I'm going to apply this above my crease line of the lid just so we can start a transition. And pause. If you like this beat face, go ahead and look at my previous video before where I demonstrate how to get this face. I did a Battle of the Sponges look. So, and back to your entertainment. I'm lightly feathering the outer edges of that transition shade. So we have this sherbet transition going on. We're gonna go in with this G&O color, same brush, because I'm a same brush kind of girl, and we're gonna just deepen up this crease. So I've been just dabbing this color on the crease of my lid, just deepening up this look. I'm going to dip into French Kiss, which is this deep brown. I'm going to put that on my lid space, which I think is real pretty. It's like a smoky eye, smoky copper eye, which is what I'm going for. The key is to start like at the lid, the line of your lid, and then just blending outwards. Careful with that brown because it gets dark real quick. Okay, make sure to blend out the edges. And the color is even all across the lid space. I'm going back in with that G&O orange, and I'm just dabbing it over the edge of that brown just so I can furthermore blend, make it more seamless. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my JH30 brush and I'm going to blend out the edges even more. I'm going in with my ColourPop Super Shocks shadow in the shade Cosmic Charge. This one is like a subtle sparkly brown color, and I think it'll complement the brown that's on my eyes. So I'm going to take a little bit on my pinky and I'm going to dabble this on top of the brown. Ooh. Yeah, that complemented it. I'm going to take this Morphe JH40 brush, which is this tiny little brush, to dabble into this GMO color and blow out my under eye. And with the same brush, I'm using the French Kiss color, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to apply it close to my waterline. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and do my brows off camera, my lashes, and my blush, and we'll come back and finish off the lips, okay? And she's back. So today's lip combo, we've got our usual NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Downtown Beauty. This is brown. Then we've got NYX Sable. This is my go-to nude lip. And then Queen Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Itza. Okay, so this is slightly overlined. I like that because it gives you an illusion of bigger lips when you add the nude on top. Okay, now I'm going to do the bottom lip, and I'm going to overline a little bit more drastic on the bottom lip because it's not as clockable. And now I'm gonna go in with Sable, and I'm gonna put that in the inner part of my lip. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that lip liner and kind of touch up on the edges. Now top it off with the lip gloss. And there's your nude lip. I've been obsessed with nude lips lately. I never would have thought I would be here to this day and doing nude lips, but here I am. This is the finished look. This is like a nice date night look. The lashes that I'm using are from Cosmania. lashes for days, and these are in the Glam Wispies. They're just super long. I like to wear them without eyeshadow as well. These are like my everyday lash. I like them because they're long and dramatic, but like not so in your face, you know what I'm saying? So I got this at TJ Maxx for $7.99, and you get all these, and I bought like 3 packs. I try to buy all of them, but you know, sometimes you gotta limit yourself at TJ Maxx. Ooh, my hair. So this is the finished look. I'm obsessed with it. It's your perfect date night kind of look. It's kind of like that sultry, bad bitch kind of look. So if you love this look and you want me to keep doing date night looks or whatever, let me know what you guys want down in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell everyone who your favorite fly girl is. Peace.